Hey guys, in this part we talk about headings in HTML. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. HTML headings are defined with the h1 to h6 tags. h1 defines the most important heading and h6 defines the least important heading. So write the tags. So h1 the most important heading 1 and control C, control V, paste and paste. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Heading 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Control S and Control R. Heading 1, 2, 3 and etc. Note, browsers automatically some white space or a margin before and after a heading. This space, and headings are important. Search engines use the headings to index the structure and content of your web page. Users often skim a page by its headings. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. H1 headings should be used for main headings and followed by H2 headings, then the less important H3 and so on. Note, use HTML headings for headings only. Don't use headings to make text big or bold. Bigger headings. Each HTML heading has a default size. However, you can specify the size for any heading with the style attribute using the CSS font size property. For example, set the style for h5 tag and font size, for example, 60 pixel, and Ctrl S, Ctrl R, and the font size is changed.